Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get help in the Airpaz application. The first thing you have to do is enter the app. After you enter the app and you're in the home page, you should look down below in the right corner and you will find the Contact Us option. Press on it. And if you don't want to contact the customer service, for example, and you think that you might find your problem under the frequently asked questions, then you should just search it there. You can see here the most frequently asked questions, and if you think your problem is not here, you can press on the view more frequently asked questions option. And after that you can choose the category here, which is about flight or hotel, and you can see here the most frequent topics, for example my booking, and here you can see most of the more frequent questions about that topic. You press on one of these if you think that the problem is that specific question, and after you press on it, it will give you a detailed answer to that specific question. And that's really about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.